Welcome to ALCOHELLO. My name is Think Twice Mike, and I'm here to teach you the Smokey Old Fashioned, a very trendy drink right now. If restaurants were open, they would all be serving Smokey Old Fashions because everybody does. It's a traditional drink for some reason right now, and I love them. So I learned how to make them at home. I bought this little smoker. You can also just use a piece of cedar, hickory wood, or apple wood, like untreated wood, and take a creme brulee torch and do it a different way. But I'm going to teach you this way. You can easily buy this anywhere. So here we go. I'm going to make a traditional Kentucky style old fashioned. So we're going to start off with your sugar. I'm going to use a sugar in the raw, which is just a little denser sugar, a little nicer. Just a small amount, a third of an ounce, very small. About 3 dashes or 4 dashes of regular Angostura bitters. And then we're gonna back that with the orange bitters. This is a very popular way in Kentucky to do this with bourbon. So we're gonna do it their way and see how it goes. And we're gonna use, thanks to my buddy Blake, shout out to Perfect Shots. He bought me a bottle of Woodford Reserve, so shout out to my buddy. 2 ounces of Woodford Reserve. Then we're gonna ice it down. And we'll give it a stir. This is serious. Smokey Old Fashioned, guys. Come on. Delicious. Then we will start the smoking process. We'll take whatever wood you have. They offer the hickory and the apple wood, so I'm going to use hickory. I think that's a little better for an old fashioned, in my opinion. But we all have our preferences, don't we? Okay. We'll stick this in any decanter, and we'll First, we'll put the drink in. I want to strain that drink right up and down. See how good I am, huh? Oh. Yeah. Do it right, do it tight. Then we'll stick the smoker in, turn her on, and light her up. While that's going like that, I'll actually even put some under here. And there we go. We are smoked. And now what I'll do is I'll swirl this really nice. Make sure it's nice and infused. This is nice and cold, this whole container here. So get that all infuseled. In the meanwhile, we will prepare our garnishes. In the Kentucky Old Fashioned, they always have a lemon peel and an orange peel. It gives a nice feel. I really like this Old Fashioned. This is one of my favorite ways to make it. It's delicioso, if you know what I'm saying. So, now that we are all infused, get a good close-up of this. Yeah, you'll like it. Okay, now we'll open our glass, drop a rock, and pour our cocktail into the glass. And then you can give it a couple good oomph. Get some of that smoke out of there. And then we will garnish. Nice orange zest. Squeeze it over the top, around the rim. Same with the lemon. And then, of course, a filthy cherry. Like I said before, these are pretty expensive, but well worth it. And there you have it, my friends, a Smokey Old Fashioned. Here, let's get some more smoke in there. And there you have it. Let's try her out. Oh yeah. It has a nice hickory taste. Very good old fashioned, good bourbon. It's delicious. Not too sweet. And thank you for watching ALCOHELLO. My name is Think Twice Mike. I appreciate you watching. Hopefully you can make a smoky old fashioned of some sort at home during this quarantine. Pretty serious times, guys. Oh. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.